Yeah! Yesterday is the presentation of these beautiful ladies, Miss and Mrs. Grand Fiesta Melbourne, and today it's Judgment Day. Today we will crown the Miss and Mrs. Grand Fiesta 2025. Look at them, ladies and gentlemen, they are all beautiful and sexy. Ayan. If you don't believe me, you just say no. Do you believe me or not? Yeah. Alright. Before we do that, before we introduce these candidates, ladies and gentlemen, let me just acknowledge our panel of judges. Ewan ko sa nursing home nanggaling mga judges na ito. Puro mga senior citizen. First judge, Miss Lulu Lorenzo. Second judge, number 2, Miss Vicky Torres. Stand up to be recognized. The third judge, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Mila Osorio. Yeah! And finally, the fourth judge, ayun, medyo bata pa ito. Wala pa ito sa wala kang amnesia. Judge number 4, Eileen Palachay. All the way from Kitchener. Alright. So now, today, we will crown the Miss Grand Fiesta and Mrs. Grand Fiesta, followed by the first runner-up and the second runner-up for both categories, and the best gown for Miss and Mrs. Grand Fiesta. Yesterday, we started with the Mrs. and today, we will reverse that. We will start with the Miss. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce and give them a round of applause for candidate number 1, Miss Grand Fiesta, Bea Bashir.
Candidate number 1 from Glenroy.
All right. That's candidate number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Candidate number 5 is not here yesterday. He missed the bus.
From the land of the oldest and unique Mambabato and Chumilachilangon Gansa, Kalinga. Hi, I am Princess Diana Morocha, number 5, Melton.
All right. Thank you, candidate number 5, Princess Diana Parocha. Let's now welcome candidate number 6, Janelle Soli.
Good evening. Good afternoon, Melbourne. I'm Janelle Soli, candidate number 6, and I'm representing Aspendale.
Thank you, candidate number 6, Janelle. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome candidate number 7, Kate Ruiz.
Hello everyone, I'm Kate Ruiz, candidate number 7, representing Thomastown!
All right, round of applause for Kate Ruiz. Yesterday, Kate is bringing a bird, but today she's carrying the Philippine flag. Thank you, Kate. Thank you. Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome candidate number 8, Shaina Montesa.
Mabuhay Melbourne! I'm Shayna Montesa, I'm candidate number 8, and I'm representing Cranbourne West.
All right. Thank you, candidate number 8. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see for yourself whom will you vote for the best in gown. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Look at them. Candidates for Miss Grand Fiesta Melbourne 2025. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now, these are my age group. Young ones. And now, let's come up to the age group of the judges. Mga kasigitan ng mga judges, yung iba. Hindi lahat ha. Mga iba lang. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now welcome the candidate for Mrs. Grand Fiesta 2025, candidate number 1, Angela Salcedo.
Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Mabuhay Grand Fiesta! My name is Angela Aragon Salcedo, Caroline Springs candidate number 1.
Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Let's now welcome candidate number 2, Christine Garcia.
Would change, cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you
Kung ikaw ay may mukhang utsuserang palaka, ay naku day. Wala nang magagawa ang Marites kung hindi pagtsagaan ang iyong pagmumukha. Diyos ko, Rude, Calorque. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Christine Garcia, representing Reservoir.
Thank you, Christine.
Girl, you're amazing,
Let's welcome
just the
candidate number 3, Ivy De La Rosa.
Hi, my name is Ivy De La Rosa, candidate number 3, Frankston.
Thank you, candidate number 3, Ivy De La Rosa. Let's welcome candidate number 4, Annie Butler. Kaladyosa ito. Yung mga kaladyosa. Anong nursing home kayo galing? Let's welcome candidate number 5, Katya Alati.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. See what I mean, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I get the girls that I got running. I ain't got less than I got. You, baby.
Just you, man.
Hit the girls that I got running.
Just you, man.
Nagmula sa bansang 20 ang bigas, mahal ang gas, pamasahe mataas. Presidente Mandurugas, Pilipinas! Standing in front of you, Katya Alatiin, presenting the west suburb of Melbourne, Melton. At nag-iiwan ng kataga, pangit man ako sa inyong paningin, mas pangit si Neil na susunod sa akin. Ay, thank you.
Thank you. Honestly, number 5, Katya Alati. Wala nang pangit sa Pilipinas, napunta na sa Melbourne. Let's welcome, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 6, Tess Winter.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Up into the club, I'm missing your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Up into the thing you never make me feel way, girl. Free. Anytime you whine and catch it, it's select. Put it up and tip on the beat, girl. Put it on the top and the it's like it's burning more than what you were. You want more than diamond, more than gold. Make it just take control.
Alright! Thank you, candidate number 6, Tess Winter. Ito, gaganti ito. Gaganti sigurati ito dahil tinawag siyang pangit.
Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon po. Welcome! My name is Tess Winter, representing Roxford Park!
Ako hindi ako nagsisinungaling ha. May Alzheimer's yung mga iba. Dapat pagsalita mo, hindi siya nagsalita pumila na doon. Thank you, candidate number 7. Yes, candidate number 6, Tess Winter. Let's welcome candidate. Gaganti ito, gaganti. Candidate pa, meron pa kaso. Candidate number 7, Elisa Benviaje.
Rock with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. See what I mean, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I get the girls that I got running. I ain't got less than I got you, baby.
Just you, man.
Hit the girls that I got running.
Pag may problema kayo, bukas ang aking bahay. I have 3 doors open. 1, Emperador. 2, Matador. And number 3, don't forget, Fundador. This is Lalisa Mantiaje, Modern Filipina of Lara, and syempre hindi po ako magpapatalo. Sabi niya, hindi man ako maganda, mas sexy ako.
All right! Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Candidate number 7, Vivian Biahe. Sabi ko na sa inyo, Vivian Biahe. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 8, Maria Cristina Balanday.
Mabuhay, Australia, Philippines! My name is Maria Balanday from Broadmeadows.
All right, thank you, Maria Cristina Balanday, number 8 candidate for Mrs. Grand Fiesta 2025. That completes our list for Miss and Mrs. Grand Fiesta 2025. And now, ladies and gentlemen, while the judges are making their tally, we have the reigning Mrs. Grand Fiesta 2024. Let's welcome Miss Jackie Ravelista.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I get
Maayong hapon sa inyong lahat.
My name is Jackie Rabanista, proudly representing Werribee! And your 2024 Mrs. Grand Fiesta Queen. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Jackie. In the middle, in between the Miss and Mrs. Ladies and gentlemen, while we're waiting for the judges to give me their tally sheet, let's all have a puto-puto. The puto-puto muna. Lahat puto-puto. Where are the paparazzi? Do your job, paparazzi. Puto-puto. All right. We are still waiting for the judges. Also, I would like to thank the president of FCCBI, Miss Lisa De Blasio, for donating all the crowns, 6 crowns. She donated from FCCBI. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And the trophy is donated by one of our judges, yung mayaman ng Melbourne, Miss Lulu Lorenzo, donated the trophy for the Mrs. Grand Fiesta. And the other one is donated by B-Boy Barbecue. Thank you, B-Boy Barbecue, for donating the trophy for the Miss Grand Fiesta. The grand winner will receive a trophy plus sash and the second runner-up will receive a crown and a sash together with the second runner-up. And then the best in gown will receive a sash. And the others, they will keep their numbers and their certificate and charge everything to experience. Round of applause to all our candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, look at them. They are so pretty, beautiful, and sexy. All right, we're still waiting. I would like to thank the organizer, Mr. Ed Guevara and Obed Guevara, and the team for doing a wonderful job. And also, our marshals, the Triskelion of Melbourne, for doing their job as a security on this event from yesterday until today. Thank you, Triskelion Melbourne. And also, Jerry Balajay from Dipslam for the Ati-Atihan. And Rox Sato from MCCBI also. You see here, she will crown the winner for Miss Grand Fiesta today. Wala pa, naubos na yung salita ko. Hindi matapos yung mga judge. Ang pinsan. Malapit na kayo bumalik sa nursing home. Nasa ba si Paring Lenny? Nasa si Paring Lenny, hindi ka ganda yung loro. Wala yung loro, yung bata ka kung dala niya birthday. Where's your bird today? Did you leave your bird or the bird go away already? Wala na, lumipad na pala yung bird niya kahapon eh. Wala na. Mga tita, relax lang kayo dyan ha. Sandali lang, hinihintay ko lang mga judges natin. Mga judges natin. Wala kayong isa. Alright. This is my judgment day today. The judgment day today will be these judges here will give me the result as soon as they are finished by tomorrow. They're having a hard time. They're having a hard time because it's hard to judge these beautiful ladies today. They are all beautiful and sexy like I said so many times. Tignan nyo naman. Yung mga iba, ano, wala na. Kita nyo naman ha. Mga gown pa lang. Sa gown pa lang. Wala. Kita nyo. Look. The gown. Best in gown. Best in gown. Lahat best in gown. To me, you are all the winner. Okay? We'll do it again next year. This year we will do one. Only for you. Right? Trust me. Listen up, candidates. When I call your name later on, you step 2 forward, right? And then stay here. Two step forward is if I call your name. If I call your name. Only the people that I call your name will step forward twice. 2 steps. Okay? We're waiting for the judges. Nahihirapan yung mga judges. Mahirap i-judge ang mga bata nito. Alisin, magsasara na yung Victoria Market ng alas 4. Orok lang magsasara na yung Victoria Market. Kaya pala yung ibon, ito pala yung ibon ng bata eh. Ako meron ako loro. Pero putol yung paa ng loro. Yan o. Ano yung pala yung bag ng bata eh. Here's your bag. Hold your bag. Yan. May bag yung bata. Yan. Ay, picture mo. Do your job. Baka masasabi ka, ha? Sige natin. Kulang yung bata. Kinopay pa, kinopay mo. Ibon eh. Wala kang ginagawa. Okay? Are we ready? Judges? Are we ready? Are we ready? Kita mo, gumagamit na sila ng calculator. Wala na, mahirap na yung math ngayon sa ano, yung by hand. May calculator na ngayon. Para fair. Are we ready? Madali lang naman yun eh. Addition, subtraction lang naman. Pag hindi nyo kaya, subtract. Diba? Ay, depende sulan yung mga yan. DJ, music, DJ. Habang naghihintay, sayaw na lang kayo. Yes, okay. Let's see your move. Candidate, let's see your move. Parang Miss Universe. Ha? Sige, patinggo mo muna kayo. Joby, magpatinggo ka na muna, Joby. Yan mo na lang itawag yung bingo.
hindi nila maitali yung ano. Kailangan yung calculator. Okay, we'll have the grand prize bingo now.
Yeah.
While we're waiting for the scores, okay?
Talaga na yun.
Oh, I have in my hand 3 documents representing 2 nights accommodation in Boracay with air
Airfare.
Airfare from Manila to
Melbourne.
Melbourne. Kaya na bahala sa
Kayo
papunta
na sa Manila, Katiklan.
sa Katiklan. Okay. There's still bingo cards here. Okay. Along with your accommodation, you have 2 massages. Alright? Okay.
Ayan, kasali rin ang ating mga beauty queens here at the back. Baka sila ang manalo.
Okay. This time we'll have a 3 number bingo. Okay. Here we go.
So the prize is gift voucher 2 nights and 3 days for 2 in Casita Island Beach Inn in Boracay.
Oh, ayan na! Eto, bola, bola!
Okay, here we go.
Here we go!
3 number bingo. First number.
Here we go!
First number.
Number 30.
30.
It's on the second. It's on the second column of your card. 30. 30.
Back.
All right.
Karir.
Okay, here we go. Number 49.
49.
On the 4th column of your card.
49.
G49. Who's got 2? Who's got 2? All right. Wait a minute. Okay. Mamaya pa ate. Wala pa ako. Okay. Those who have 2 in front of the stage, please. On stage, please. Mga pare ko, tignan natin yung mga cards, di ba? Kailangan ma-double check.
Who got 2?
Ano bro?
Okay. How about you? 30 and 49.
Teka na.
Dalawa pa lang
Teka
po.
muna.
Dalawa pa lang po.
Dalawa pa lang number.
30
Bakit ako
and
yan?
49.
Okay, don't cut the numbers, ha? Kasi
30 and 49. Yeah.
30 and 49, you're good.
30 and 49. Yeah, that's good.
30 and 49, you're good. 30